Hi everyone and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today we're going to talk about digital stamps. I have for a while been obsessed with finding out information about different digital stamp companies, and today I have put together a video listing 20 really amazing digital stamp companies. And if you're just starting out with digital stamps or you're a veteran in the digital stamp world, this video might be really fun for anyone actually, because you might find out and find a new company that you've never heard about. I have been searching the World Wide Web for these companies and I have bought from majority of them, so they are very safe and secure. I love using Etsy because it's made the whole process of buying digital stamps very easy, but majority of these companies also have a website where you can buy from. So yeah, without any further ado, I will roll on this list of 20 of the most amazing digital stamp companies in my opinion. They're listed in no particular order, but I really recommend these companies. I think they have some absolutely adorable images. And if you like this video, be sure to push a little thumbs up. It's always fun to see that people enjoy what I create. And if you want to subscribe to my channel and join the gang of crafters, you're welcome to do so too. But yes, without any further ado, let's start rolling this list. Enjoy it. And that was 20 amazing digital stamp companies. I hope that you may have found yourself a new company that you've never heard about and that you will check them out and download some Digi stamps. I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope that you have a lovely day. See you next time. Bye!